We still see a strong demand for lithium. The fundamentals are still the same. There's going to be an increasing need for batteries as the world transitions into green power. That is not going to change anytime soon. So we take the long view, and as an exploration company, that's the appropriate view to take. Unlike in Australia, where lithium extraction is from hard rock, in Chile the lithium is located in subterranean brines. So the extraction at the moment is via evaporation, using the salars to create those evaporation ponds. We expect that to be a faster extraction method. We've taken positions around the edges of the basin where the pathways for the brine fluids entering the basin are more likely. We believe that by picking up those areas, that'll give us really good access to the brine fluids. The current players in the Atacama Salar, or Salt Lake, have extremely large positions already. They surround the basin. So we've managed to pick up critical key areas all around the Salt Lake, which we're confident will put us in a great situation.